So this is what the kids ended up doing. My son ended up doing Prince of Egypt today. That's the book he ended up reading. And then this is the one my daughter ended up doing, which is Clean Your Room. It's from the Berenstain Bears. And this is the drawing she did. Remy's getting ready to test right now.
Yep.
This is his master word list. As you can see, he's been doing really good. I'm going to get this one done right now. These are his words.
What was it, Mom? 12-7? It was 100.
It was 100? Let me see it. Good job. So we got 100 on this one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this one right now. Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
November. Hospital. Restaurant. Student. Shelf.
Wow. Student and then shelf?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Library. Nuclei.
Okay.
Digestive. And nucleus. Time for grading.
3, 2, 1.
So November, hospital, restaurant.
Yes!
Student, shelf, library, human, clinic, alumnus,
Alumni.
cactus,
Oh.
shelves, cacti, alumni, stomach, esophagus, intestine, nuclei, digestive, and nucleus. You got 100. Great job.
Stuff for me. Thank you. Hold your applause. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Good job. And now it's time for testing my daughter. She's doing her test right now. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and grade it now. So it's written, record, heat, object, language, third, ocean, length, she didn't bring it down, difference, simple, return, she needs to work on her R's, and she needs to work on her C's a little bit better. Her U's, she ends up, it kind of looks a little bit like an N, but that's a U. I know her U's already. She makes them like this. Farmers, and square is wrong. Energy was wrong. Subject she did right. Usually she puts an A there. She got that one right. And reason she did right. Race and strong. So she ended up getting 2 wrong, so she ended up with a 90. She still did good, but yeah, she did struggle with energy and square. Still did good.
It's me, Remy. I'm going to show you how. Oh, hold on. That's better. I'm going to be doing my Wii. There you go. It's the Wii. Let me show you it. Inside you can't see. Anyways. This movie, my dad plays the stickers. You're screaming away? I don't think so. Turn it on.
Underline words. make sure you're on pause and you please. What are you writing?
I'm waiting for it to turn on. It's like, oh, there it is. It's turning on.
No, you're right. I was in 3rd place in the game.
Oh my gosh,
In
it's too
3rd place. What game? The Wii Party.
Wii
Party.
my sister. Oh
You know the Wii? Okay, but dummy has to be party. No. You don't put it together. Wii is one thing and then the party. Party game.
I'm not trying.
Okay. Okay. Not on your words. George.
Oh, yes, you are. Yeah. Oh, no, I don't. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Oh, come on. Just. Hold on. So. Fine, guys. So please get my dog at least.
Was his scripture, Joseph, King of Dreams. He did this one. He also ended up doing this one right here, which was Moses, the Prince of Egypt. He did that one. This is the one that my 2nd grader did. For history today, they ended up doing this. American symbols, word search, and then this one right here. Took a little test. So I did that for history. Hi guys, okay, so I wanted to go ahead and do a quick video showing you, I'm going to go ahead and try out this new recipe. It's called chocolate peanut butter cup cookies. So this is what the recipe looks like. And you can go ahead and pause the video so you guys can see all of it. It's going to be at 350 degrees. I wasn't planning on making cookies. It's just something that we decided to do last minute. Okay guys, so this is how the cookies came out. They're nice and chewy. They're warm. I'm letting them cool off right now. But this is how they look. They do taste pretty good. I really do like it. They're not super sweet. They're just great. I have another batch right here ready to go in the oven. And I still have this much left. So this will probably be about maybe 4 or 5 cookies. And this is how they look in the oven right now. Okay guys, so this is what we ended up making. So they are Snicker, chocolate chip, Twix, peanut butter cookies. They're really, really good. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Put in the description box the ingredients that are needed to make these cookies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.